Need to buy 2 flowers so we can put them into the flower pots. Let's pick them up. I don't know nothing about flowers. From early spring to fall. Tear resistant and water. Oh.
Should we wrap?
Yep.
Okay. Look at that one. It's one thing starting to grow up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 8.
What?
I'm counting the flowers.
These fools.
8,
6.
no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, so there's 16 flowers. So, where are you putting here?
What the hell?
Oh, this is kind of fun.
Like this. I'm not really sure what we have to do here. Looks very dry. We're gonna fix that. There's an old plant here. Looks alive. We're gonna save that. I don't know. The dirt looks kind of good enough for me. Okay, put you in time lapse. They need some water. Very nice.
Okay. Yes.
You can pour all the water.
Okay.
Everything. Just spö med jorddama. Need to bring some more.
Okay, so
Okay. 3 more to go.
Is there more water I need to bring? Hi.
So we are done. They need more water actually.
What?
Yeah, they need more water.
I'm coming to deliver.
Beautiful.
Deliver, ready to go.
We are done. Yes. Yes, one more please. See you next time.